let your spirit rise.
We're at the corner of Winchester and Rivendell here in Memphis, Tennessee. And I've been hearing about the bald head guy, and he's got like all the best food like wrapped up in egg rolls. I mean, it's just crazy. We're gonna go check him out over here. Let's see what he's got going on. Hey man, we looking for that bald head guy.
Who you looking for? I don't know who you looking for.
We're looking for that bald head guy, man.
I told the kids, get up, bro. Stand back there and let's eat this food. Get up.
Man, he's got all kinds of good stuff wrapped up in egg roll. We all picked out what we wanted. Tried some of the lemonade. It was real good.
Oh, it is good.
You know, mom and daddy right here. 9 fingers in the building, y'all. He brought the whole family. Test takes approved by my man, Mr. 9 Fingers.
That's so good. You didn't lie. You did not lie.
If you're in Memphis, you gotta go check him out.
Until it's showtime.